Somebody was asking me if we grow Aucuba japonica. Yes, we do. We have a few of them in our garden. Fortunately, it's getting buried by this huge cotoneaster. So this is one of them growing up through the cotoneaster. You can see it underneath here. It's actually a pretty good sized plant. And then another one here. This one actually has different spots on it. See, look at the variegation on it. And then you look at this one, there's the gold dust. And then actually we have another one too. So this is a pretty good size Aucuba japonica. These are evergreen. Thank God the caterpillars haven't eaten them yet. They do prefer to grow in more shade. We have another one in the shade garden growing in front of the house. And they're very drought tolerant and extremely cold hardy. And they call them an Aucuba or gold dust plant because they got the speckles on the leaves, but very, very cold tolerant and easy to grow. Put them in well draining soil and you won't have a problem growing these, and they do get orange berries on them. And they grow good with other broadleaf evergreens. This one's growing with a viburnum davidii. There's bamboo in here and some other cool plants. All right, thanks for watching. There's a waggy there. Waggy, got to watch him stepping on him. Thanks for watching, guys, and try one in your own garden. Aucuba japonica. All right, cheers to you.